Hi darlings, welcome to my new History of Makeup Magic series. I have decoded some of the most iconic eras in beauty history so you can create timeless makeup magic today and every day. I can't wait to see you all try these looks at home. And don't forget to subscribe, darlings. You don't want to miss this. Today, my incredible pro artist Ria is going to show you how to create the 60s sirens-inspired graphic makeup look. The 60s eye look is all about that graphic socket definition. To create this signature 60s look, take my classic eyeliner in classic brown and sketch out a line which is higher than the natural socket to create a bigger, brighter doe-eyed gaze. Then use my liner brush to smudge and soften for a gorgeous diffused look. I like to set the liner in place using my sophisticate palette. This will allow you to create so much more definition. Then apply my Super Nudes Duo Liner, tracing the nude shade along your waterline to create the illusion of eyes that are super bright and wide awake. Remember, stay close to the lash line so the focus stays on those wide Bambi eyes. Twiggy had that signature painted on lash look. To recreate this, use the tip of my Feline Flick eyeliner to paint on lashes underneath the eye to cheat length and definition. Use my Lip Cheat lip liner in shade Pillow Talk to reshape and resize the lips. My secret Tilbury tip is to use the same lip liner to fill in the lips and finish the look by applying a lipstick shade that's one shade lighter than your liner, creating the illusion of fuller, wider pout. To create gorgeous natural looking freckles, take my lip liner in shade Foxy Brown and lightly dot the pencil across the cheeks and bridge of your nose. Remember to dab and diffuse with your finger for a natural finish. This is a classic 60s trick. Darlings, thank you so much for tuning in. Which decade of makeup magic do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. You can shop this look on charlottetilbury.com and my Charlotte Tilbury app. Thanks for watching, darlings.